Welcome to North Tees and Hartlepool Voices, telling the stories of our people and community in our trust.
My name's Elliot Kennedy, and in the studio today we have Helen and Laura. Why are we hosting the Festival of Finance at different hospitals across the University Hospitals of Tees?
In November 2022, colleagues at North Tees and Hartlepool initially held a Festival of Finance event, which proved to be extremely successful. The events have been set out in a direct response to the reward and recognition survey we carried out, and the feedback was really positive. So we've continued last year and then again this year. Both sites have their own Festival of Finance at North Tees and Hartlepool, and it's because we really understand some of our staff that may be struggling with the cost of living challenges, and we want to help them and support them as much as we possibly can, because there's so many ways that there's different financial issues that impact, and so we need to support them.
At South Tees, we use an external company called Affinity Connect that run financial wellbeing courses for our staff. So I'll be promoting them on the day, making sure staff sign up to them. For example, we get great feedback that staff have been told about grants that they didn't even know existed that they can apply for. We'll also be handing out things like recipe cards with healthy recipes on that will have like the price per portion on them. So there will be a lot going on the day.
How big is an impact of the financial difficulties on our staff of the health and wellbeing?
So financial difficulties can significantly impact on staff wellbeing in many different ways. Employees may experience heightened stress, anxiety levels due to financial pressures. They may have concerns about the cost of living. They might worry about how they can afford day-to-day essentials. It can even distract employees from undertaking the job role. They may struggle to focus on their everyday tasks at work as they're constantly worrying about their finances. And stress from financial difficulties can even manifest physically. It can lead to issues like headaches, fatigue. So I think overall we have a social responsibility as an organisation to recognise the effects of financial difficulties on staff and support them as much as we possibly can.
Who's the event aimed at?
The events have space for staff to find out more about support, discounts and offers that are available to them. And we've got a wide range of internal and external organisations coming along. Some of the internal ones are occupational health and menopause, which I do, smoking and alcohol support, the Eco Shop and VivUp. The external people, they've got Sisters and Advice Bureau for both Stockton and Hartlepool. We've got Stop Loan Sharks. We've got Hartlepool Carers. We've got Stockton and Learning Skills Council. And in the Hartlepool one, we've got Hartlepool Power. I think there's other particular ones that are over at South Tees.
So what are the supports available, and where does staff start looking?
Yeah, so at South Tees NHS Trust, we do have staff financial wellbeing pages, and that covers information on pensions, benefits and discounts, cost of living support, debt management support, gambling support, links to benefit support and so much more. We've also got information on, for example, our Cleveland Fire Brigade scheme. So they actually run a Stay Safe and Warm scheme that's completely free. So they offer access to heaters and other equipment. So if you can imagine during the winter, if someone's boiler breaks down or they have an ongoing heating issue, they can support you by giving you like free heaters. So again, knowing that information could really be beneficial to staff members.
Stockton, Middlesbrough and Redcar councils each have their own financial support websites that specialise in cost of living support. So that helps people in crisis, helping with bills, carers, claiming benefits, debts, food support and warm spaces, etc. And then we have a tab for making every contact count website, and that helps and signposts staff in a wide range of services that are available in the Tees Valley area. Also including affordable warmth, alcohol, carers, gambling, housing, mental health, finances and cost of living. So you can search for your local supports using your postcode. There's also debt and gambling charities that are also able to assist if that's what is required.
Laura, can you give me those dates and locations again, please?
Yes. So the first event will take place on Thursday the 14th of November at the main concourse at Hartlepool. The second event will be Friday the 15th of November in the Tees meeting room at the back of Tees restaurant at North Tees. The third event will be Friday the 22nd of November, and that will be in the main atrium at James Cook University Hospital. We will also be doing an event at the Friarage Hospital Northallerton, and we will confirm this date shortly. And all of the events are being held between 11:30am until 2pm.
Laura, Helen, thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Till next time, you've been listening to NTH Voices.